You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing Italian words and vocabulary that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned if you enjoy learning. Pizzeria Locale is how you say it in Italian. Pizzeria Locale. In English, Pizzeria Locale or Locale. But yeah, Pizzeria Locale. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.